Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome to the video. If you've been to the channel before, welcome back. If you've never been here before, welcome. Either way though, you should definitely go ahead and click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. So today's video is going to be a super simple bold makeup look. I literally used 3 colors for this eye, and then I used 2 colors for the lip. Now the lip, I'm not really, I liked it at first, but now looking at it, I'm like, I don't really know. But I am loving the eyes. If you're like, what is that? Like up here, I don't know if you can see, but up here, I try to put this glitter. I don't know if you'll be able to see in the video because my phone died literally like a bajillion times in this video. So we're going to see how the editing goes. But I used this. Wow. You can't even see it because it's freaking light. But I used this. It's just this like little eyeliner glitter that I got from the hair store, and it doesn't work like how I wanted it to. Go figure. It was like $1. But I did try to go ahead and add some sparkle to it. This whole look was used with my BH Cosmetics palette. If y'all haven't seen that haul, go look at it. I'll leave the link below. And the colors that I used were these 3 colors right here. You will see the whole thing in the video. And then the lip combo that I used a Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the color Gone Burgundy, and it just looks like this. And then I outlined my lips with that. And I used a liquid lipstick. This is just another hair store liquid lipstick. This is True Matte. It's in the color Santa Fe, and it looks like this. But yeah, I really like the look. So also for the blush and the contour, I used the contour palette that I also got from BH Cosmetics. Everything in this video was BH Cosmetics besides, you know, the brushes that I already had and the lip liner and whatnot. Hopefully you like this makeup look, and if you want to know how to go ahead and achieve this look, then keep on watching. Also, if you do like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I will talk to you guys next time. See you. Okay, you guys, so this is actually about to be the end of the video. I was not aware that it didn't record the full ending. Like I said in the beginning, my phone died on me like a million times, so I do apologize. But I did just outline my lips with the lip liner that you see here, and then I just filled it in with a liquid lipstick that you see at the beginning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.